Locate area requiring installation of hinge. Attach hinge arm to door panel. Secure with 2 screws. Attach mounting plate into interior side of panel. Secure with 2 screws. To hang door, slip the keyhole slot into the hinge arms over the mounting plate screws. Position the hinge arm so the mounting plate screw is near the middle slot and tighten the mounting plate screw. Repeat as necessary for other doors. To adjust doors up and down, loosen the mounting plate screws and adjust doors as needed. Once adjusted, tighten screws. To adjust doors front and back, loosen the hinge arm screw and adjust doors as needed. Once adjusted, tighten screws. To adjust doors left and right, loosen the keyhole screw and adjust doors as needed. Once adjusted, tighten screws. Congratulations! You've completed your Ameriwood animated instruction. Repeat steps as necessary. Please refer to your instructions for exact quantities and locations.